What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here, coming at you with another video. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well. As you can see, I got two packages today. This one's from Mercari, this one's from eBay. I'm going to take a moment, cut them open, and I'll show you guys what I got. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna.
Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you very much for joining me in yet another video. Guys, so this is why I like to make a pause when I do my unboxing videos, because you never know how these things are packaged up. So this one here came in that. It came in this. And it came in this. So I had three barriers to go through. This one was not bad at all. But anyways, guys, without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with this one here. Let's see here. I always appreciate the extra care the seller takes to package these items, so much appreciated. Let's see here. Nice. All right, guys, there we go. All right, let's start with this one right here. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is an M2 1966 Dodge Charger gasser. Check that out, guys. Very cool. Check that out. So there you go, guys. Very cool. Now let's move on to this one. This is the 1972 Ford F-250 Explorer 4x4. So pretty cool. Check that out, guys. Pretty cool. I really like the tires on this truck. Yeah, this one has some pretty good tires on it. Check out the Ford decals on the back. Very nice. Very cool. Now let's move on to this one. Alright guys, so this is the Matchbox Viper Venom 1995. It's a limited edition. Only 5,000 pieces were made. So let's take a closer look at this. Check this out, guys. Very cool. The door does not open, but it's got a light gray interior. It's got a chrome windshield. Very cool. Check out those headlights. Check out the grille. Check out those rims. Check out the detail on the rims. Very cool. Let's check out the tail lights. Very nice. I'm not too sure when this one was released, but yeah, this car is freaking awesome. Let me know what you guys think. Let's move on to this other Viper. This is an unpunched blue card, limited edition, as you can see. This is the Viper GTS. And let's take a look at this one. So you can see this one comes in an all black color. I love the Dodge racing stripes on the top, the hood, and on the back. It's got some gold chrome rims. Check out the Goodyear decals on the tires. Very cool. Let's check out the front. So you can see it's got some pretty nice details on the headlights. Pretty cool. Check out the Dodge tampo on the door. Pretty cool. And you can see it says Viper right there. Very cool. Let's check out the details on the back. Very nice. Alright guys, this is all I have for you guys today. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one of these is your favorite. Alright guys, you guys take care. God bless, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
Say what you wanna say to me